Good morning, everyone. It's a new week. I've got a new list of jobs to do. So I guess just get cracked on with it. A bit more cleaning to do, pitch markers to put out, all the sticks and brush to clean up on the whole site, like the whole, everywhere. There's just sticks everywhere, man. Like pretty much just constant trees coming down, sticks coming down on the perimeters. Benches to clean. Start with an easy one. We'll put this sign out. Now I need to just mount these. Been waiting for some little screws. These little guys. Didn't have the right size. Some of them were missing. So got all the screws now, so we'll put all the fire alarms on. Supposed to be nice and sunny all week. Maybe some showers, but for the most part, just been so lucky with the weather. Love it. Barbecue season's nearly here. T-shirt weather. Let's get these barbecues mounted to the concrete. Now I've got to go put these hookup extension cables out. So we'll go find where they are. There's a couple of spots where there's a bit of a reach to get to the pitch from where the power bollard is. So we've got these extensions just for that purpose. Well, that's the end of Monday. Don't really feel like I've done a right lot, really. It's been a bit of an organising day. Made a few new stakes for the pitch markers. Just taking the sides off the trailer. We're gonna go load these benches up that I've been cleaning this morning and put them around the site. This is the service point all cleaned down. And yes, I did clean the stinky drains. Beautiful. So just gonna do one quick little job now before the end of today. Just a nice little satisfying one. Just gonna put a nice little holder on here for the drain hook. Better than a couple of screws. Morning everyone. big day today. We're gonna go around and pick up all the loose brush, all the sticks and twigs and things all over the site. It just looks a bit messy, so we're gonna sweep the whole site basically. Place them on the other side of the fence there to create a wildlife habitat. Basically just everywhere you look it's just a little bit messy, so we'll get the rake out, we'll pick up all the big stuff. So lucky with this weather. I think I've been rained on maybe twice. All along this tree line there's just like, it's just a mess, and there's litter all along here, it gets caught in the fence. So I'll have to do a litter pick as well. Lots to clean up under there. So on this back side, there's a lot of cleanup done down here, sort of brushwork. And so yeah, that's the bulk of it, is all this down the end. A lot of mess down here, so all this needs raking up really, and here we go. Here's the fence. So yeah, it just creates this like natural looking wall, which is nice. All through here as well. Just loads of sticks down, so we'll get it all picked up. Look at that hair.
Shut up, I've been outside.
She's been outside today.
Been labouring, grafting.
Oh, what a day. Big job's done today. Put a massive dent in the prep. Cleaned up all the brush, so that has been cleared. All this area will just kind of grow in anyway. We've got the nature wall coming in nicely. Brush piles that we made in the back there as well, and some, you know, like made some little piles for all the little critters and bugs and things. What an evening. Gorgeous out here. Yeah, these extended pictures now are looking great. Courtney's been an absolute legend today, and she's basically litter picked the whole site. A lot of the wind tends to blow this way, so we get all the rubbish come down this bank and get caught in the trees and stuff, so she's done a really good job of that. She's picked up loads of stuff. Though she didn't film any of it, so that's useful. If you do want to stay at Wick River Campsite, these pictures are quite nice. Got a nice back backing onto the river here. Nice little view. AD Henderson dropped off the merch. Appreciate that. Thanks very much. Billy Boy's ready for his walk. Well, another nice morning today. So we got some more signs to put out. We need some masonry paint for one of the washdown areas to give that a freshen up. And to get fuel for all the equipment. So we're gonna go fill the jerry cans up. A bit more cleanup to do and just get this place looking nice and tidy, ready for Monday. So after picking up all the big sticks yesterday around the site, there's a million tiny little sticks as well to pick up. So realistically, you can't do that by hand. So I'm going to take the mower out and just try and hoover up all the little bits. Whoa.
Most mornings this week I have been dealing with customer inquiries over email and some phone calls as well. But mostly we've been getting the shop ready. So we've been cleaning. I have hoovered all the shelves and wiped them all. And here we are putting away the first delivery. There's another big one tomorrow.
Right, Friday morning, last day for prep, because exclusive, spoiler alert, we're actually opening this Monday. Yeah, so Monday the 23rd, we are open. I know it's kind of short notice, but the official opening date is the 27th, which is the Friday. So we got everything sorted. Just last minute cleaning to do, a couple of odd jobs to sort out, but we are open for business on Monday. Just got some little jobs like this to do today. Got a couple more signs to put out. Got to replace these drain lids. I'm actually making some new ones, so that'll be interesting. I've got some big, heavy steel steps that were outside of the main reception building. So I'm gonna repurpose that. Look at the state of that. They get flattened by these massive motorhomes. So if I made them exactly 2 feet, there'd be a little wiggle room. 2 feet by 2 feet would be a perfect size. This is the old steel step that used to be outside the reception. I'm going to reuse this. I'm going to try and cut across the reinforced areas on the back here, so We have a bit more rigidity, which will be nice. Gonna go down and check the fit before I carry on. Side. Does it fit in that way? Oh, it does. How good is that? Like you can see there, it's sitting high because I need to cut these ribs off. Right, they look way better than those bent up old things. I'll give them a clean down and a fresh coat of paint as well. That'll look nice and crispy. Well, I can't quite believe it, but first try, that's not a bad effort for me, I'll be honest. Get that one cleaned up, finish the second one, get them painted, and then they'll be in.
We got the main delivery in today, so we've been scanning it in, doing a stock check and filling the shelves, and they're looking really good.
I'd say that's a lot tidier compared to these old bent up things. So yeah, happy with that.
That's us wrapping up for the week. The reception building in the communal area is now fully cleaned. The shop is fully stocked and everything's in place, ready to go. We're all set for opening on Monday the 23rd, and we couldn't be more excited to kick off the 2026 season and welcome everyone to the campsite. A huge thank you to everyone who's helped get the place ready. It really means a lot. And to the locals and all of those watching from afar, we really appreciate your kind words and continued support online and in person. We can't wait to see you all soon.